Welcome to the connection procedure for a DSP kit to carry communication experiments in the lab. As you can see in the board, there's a DSP processor 6713 is here, and to connect with the external signals we are going to use AEC23 codec, and here we have four interfaces. One is a mic input and line input, and that is basically the input from the external, and there's a two output, line out and headphone. As you can see this board, there is a mic input and there is a line input here, and line output is here, and headphone is here, and we have a DSP processor here. So mainly we are going to use this line input and line output, and when you want to exactly confirm whether it's a line input, the letter will be written very close to this pin, so you can identify which is a line input and line output. And here in the bottom you can see that power jack is here as it's mentioned in the screen, and USB port is here, and the USB port is used to connect to the computer. This is especially the main connector. We're going to use it in the lab, and this is one end of the connector. You can see the stereo pin, and another end is the RCA cable, and this is a connector you are going to get along with the DSP port. This is a power adapter for the DSP board, which is the pin is going to be connected with the power jack of the DSP board. And we have a USB cable, which is going to be, one end is USB, another end is a jack, USB jack. This USB jack is going to be connected with this DSP board, and it has to be inserted correctly, and other end is connected to the system USB port. In the stereo pin, this one end is a stereo pin, and here other end is the RCA cable. So this is I cannot use connect directly to the like function generator or oscilloscope. So I am going to use that adapter, which is going to convert my RCA cable to the BNC connector, such like okay. So I'm going to use this adapter, so which is going to convert my RCA cable. Either one I can use that, so I can connect RCA cable to the connector. So this BNC connector is going to be used to connect either oscilloscope or function generator, as already is connected here. It's a quick like review. So when you are entering into the lab, you are going to supposed to get the DSP board, which is having a lot of peripheral interface. Especially we are going to use this line input and line output. It is each connector beside that there is a letter is entered, like marked here, which is line input and which is line output. And after that we use the connector called stereo cable. One end is a stereo pin, another end is a two RCA cable. So before giving the input and taking output from RCA cable, I have to use this adapter, which is convert from RCA cable to BNC connector. So this BNC connector I can directly connect to the oscilloscope or function generator. So this is a quick component review in the connection procedure. I'll tell you shortly how to give the input from the function generator and see the output to the CRO.